Hello, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of Japanese Chikuwa, but with a twist. We're about to uncover some incredible unknown facts about this unique and delicious treat. So, prepare your taste buds and join us on this culinary adventure. But before we dive in, if you're as curious discovering the hidden gems of global cuisine, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tasty discoveries. Let's begin our journey with the origins of Japanese Chikuwa. Did you know that this beloved treat has a history stretching back to the Edo period? Chikuwa was born in the Edo period, evolving from an earlier dish known as chiku, which was made from fish paste wrapped around bamboo skewers. Over the centuries, it transformed into the delightful Chikuwa we know today. Now, let's talk about the core ingredients of Chikuwa. It's made primarily from surimi, which is fish paste, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Surimi is mixed with seasonings like sugar, salt, and sometimes even grated yamaimo, Japanese mountain yam, to create the unique texture and flavor of Chikuwa. Ever wondered about the distinctive cylindrical shape and the name, Chikuwa? There's a fascinating connection between the two. The name, Chikuwa, is derived from chiku, which means bamboo, and wa, which means ring. It's called bamboo ring because Chikuwa is traditionally formed around bamboo sticks, giving it that signature shape. Chikuwa isn't a one-size-fits-all treat. There are various types of Chikuwa, each with its unique characteristics and regional specialties. Chikuwa isn't just a snack, it's a part of Japanese culture. It's often enjoyed during festivals and celebrations, such as the vibrant Hanami cherry blossom season. It's a symbol of togetherness and joy, shared with friends and family while basking in the beauty of nature. The process of making Chikuwa is a captivating blend of tradition and craftsmanship. Each Chikuwa is carefully hand-rolled, showcasing the skill of the artisans. What makes Chikuwa even more intriguing is the variety of flavors it can take on. Seasonings play a pivotal role in transforming this fish paste delicacy into a flavor sensation. From soy sauce and teriyaki to spicy chili and seaweed, Chikuwa's adaptability allows it to cater to diverse taste preferences across Japan. Believe it or not, Chikuwa isn't just delicious, it can be surprisingly healthy too. It's a great source of protein, low in fat, and rich in essential nutrients. With its lean fish paste base and minimal additives, Chikuwa offers a guilt-free snack option or ingredient for a balanced meal. During the cherry blossom season, you might find Sakura Chikuwa, infused with cherry blossom flavors, adding a touch of elegance to this traditional treat. Chikuwa isn't limited to standalone snacks. It's a beloved component of Japanese bento boxes. Its convenient shape and delicious taste make it a popular addition. Whether paired with rice, vegetables, or other accompaniments, Chikuwa elevates the experience of a Japanese bento meal. The world of Chikuwa is not static, it's evolving. Chefs and food enthusiasts are constantly experimenting, introducing innovative Chikuwa dishes. From Chikuwa tempura to Chikuwa sushi, these inventive creations offer a fresh perspective on a classic Japanese snack. Chikuwa's influence goes beyond the plate. It's made its mark in Japanese art too. Some artists have incorporated Chikuwa into their works, symbolizing everyday life and simplicity. It's a testament to how this unassuming snack has become a part of Japanese culture, inspiring creativity even outside the culinary world. There are superstitions associated with Chikuwa. It's believed that consuming Chikuwa on a certain day brings good luck. From attracting wealth to ensuring a prosperous harvest, these beliefs highlight the cultural significance of Chikuwa in Japanese society. Behind every piece of Chikuwa lies meticulous craftsmanship. Skilled artisans, often with years of experience, craft each Chikuwa by hand. It's a labor of love, and the dedication of these craftsmen ensures that each Chikuwa is a work of edible art. While Chikuwa is undoubtedly a Japanese delicacy, its appeal has transcended borders. You can find variations of Chikuwa-inspired dishes in other parts of the world. From Chikuwa-inspired sushi rolls to fusion dishes that incorporate the essence of Chikuwa, its global influence is a testament to its unique charm. Chikuwa has also found its way into Japanese tea ceremonies, where it's often served as a symbol of simplicity and natural flavor. It adds a touch of authenticity to the ritual and enhances the overall experience. And there you have it, folks. Japanese Chikuwa isn't just a tasty snack. It's a captivating journey through art, culture, and craftsmanship. If you have more hidden gems about Chikuwa to share or your own Chikuwa stories, please leave them in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow food enthusiasts. Until our next culinary adventure, keep savoring the delightful treasures of Japan and beyond.